One of my smoke detector batteries is beeping every like minute. It just started and she's going nuts trying to find it. Did you hear it? Somewhere over there. What are you, scared? Oh, you're scared of the beeping? What's the matter, baby? It's not that one. It's got to be this one. Oh, it's this one. I fixed it. You're okay. Come here. You're okay. Huh? Are you scared? Oh, scared girl. Huh? Baby, you okay?